Good morning, everyone. It's Linda again. So, we already talked about the theory of argumentative essays thesis, right? We talked about keywords although, and, since, or you say even if, because. However, we didn't apply it to our real samples. Now, here am I. I picked up one perfect argumentative essay for you. Let's have a look. In this argumentative essay, the writer talked about why economic globalization should be embraced. Read the topic. What are you thinking now? I am thinking the writer is going to talk about good parts of economic globalization, right? It should be embraced. That means it is welcomed by everyone. Why it is welcomed by everyone? Because it's good. You get me? So, the writer introduced us what is economic globalization, right? He gave us a term of it, and then he further explained the term. What is a global village, right? As a result, do you think it's very familiar to you? It is argument. It is a key word of your argument. Hence, the sentence is the writer's thinking, critical thinking over the topic. Later, he put one author's article here to enhance why globalization is important, right? Did you see the keyword since? Since is because is what? It's argument. The author now, he is using other people's words to support his argument. You see, later, he further wrote something about author's article, right? Evidently, what's that? Evidently is a keyword about the writer's argument. As you read here, evidently, globalization has a positive effect on the nations. It is the writer's argument. He thinks globalization is good, right? Later, finally, the thesis. Although many people believe that globalization is not good, this is what? This is fighting. The writer of the essay is fighting with these people. He is enemy. This is a counter-argument point, right? Let's look at how did the writer picked up 4 good points of economic globalizations. Firstly, it promotes efficiency in markets. Secondly, it enhanced competitions. Thirdly, it limited conflicts between nations or countries. Fourthly, it encouraged the spread of wealth globally. Let's now further to check how did the writer connected points together and in order. Let's look at the first body paragraph. If we read the topic sentence, the common notion regarding globalization is that it's disadvantaged since it allows firms, okay, big companies to operate with reduced tax. As you have noticed here, the topic sentence of the first body paragraph, it is talking about the bad point of economic globalization. So what it is your enemies talking. It is also connected with the point 1 of the thesis. As you could see here, that's point 1. So, in your argumentative essay, you must only give me the same thing. You are going to put your enemy's argument as your first body paragraph with a great topic sentence. Let's also take a real example. Okay, the same animal medicine test. Let's see how will I write it. Therefore, see how did I put out the counter argument? Okay, some people regard animal medicine test as crucial. See, you just copy and paste. Oh my goodness, I missed our keyword of argumentative essays, thesis, although. So please don't make the same error as me. These people regard it as crucial because animals feel painful as human beings. Right? Did you notice how did I make my thesis for my topic? You do the same thing. Put out the keyword, put out the counter-argumentative's point. If you check the similarity between this one and this one, you will see these keywords are the same, right? Many people, some people, that is your enemy, believe, regard, it's their thinking, right? Okay, we put the topic out here, animal medicine test, the same here. Globalization, this is our topic. Okay, it is not good, the same here. It is awful, it's crucial. Why? Because, this is another keyword, because animals feel painful as human beings. Okay, because the economic globalization allows large companies to escape tax. Did you see how did I do it? That's our thesis point 1, which is your enemy's argument, or we could say counter-argument point here. You do the same thing as what did I do. All right, we always have to summarize what we have learned, right? We need to check the similarity. We need to check the difference. So let's pause here. Let's talk. You must have because. Let me show you. This is counter-argument, right? We drag our mice. This is argument, our argument. Okay, the writer didn't write because we used them too many because. Okay, so he used something like this. Is the fact that it promotes market efficiency. Okay, that is actually the same as because. One of the significant factors that prove economic globalization is great because it promotes market efficiency. Right? We could translate the sentence in this way. The same for another argument here. You see? Additionally, globalization is advantage. Oh, it's great, okay? Because it encourages competition among manufacturers. That's another argument, right? Let's go on reading. Another factor that, okay, it's great because it hinders conflicts between nations, between countries, right? What about the last one? Also, globalization is essential since is actually because it encourages the spread of wealth around the world. Okay, this is a conclusion. One thing we have noticed is that you see these blue words, blue points, they are in order. Let's remember this. Okay, actually we could copy and could screenshot. Let's see. This is our first argument. Our first argument's point, right? See? Did you see something which is familiar with you? We have talked this in our critical essay. We are in the topic sentence of your argument. You are explain to readers that why globalization is important because, okay, your argument, point one. It's the same here. You see? You just paraphrased this point one to be your topic sentence. You make it longer, you make it readable, right? But the keyword is the same, promotes. The point in the thesis is talking the same thing here, right? It's essential. Globalization, economic globalization is essential because it promotes efficiency in markets. Okay, one of the significant factors that prove globalization is great because it promotes market efficiency. It's the same thing. We talk it twice. We just paraphrase it. We paraphrased the point here to our topic sentence. Okay, I explained it so clear. I don't think there should be any problem. Okay, even if just elementary school students could get my point, you know. Let's further explore. This is another argument point, right? This is another body paragraph. It's the same as we have talked here. Enhance competition is the same. Encourage competition. It doesn't matter. You could write it enhances competition here too. It's fine. No problem. Okay? Professors, they prefer you to paraphrase keyword. So, I mean, we look at the 2 points here, okay? This point and this point. Okay, we look at the 2 topic sentences here, this one and this one. Actually, professors like this one. They prefer you to paraphrase keyword. So, in this one, we could change it to, okay, promotes. We could say it promotes, it improves. If you write this, that's better. Okay? Because in academic essay, we cannot use one word or one phrase for many times. So that's why they like you to paraphrase a little bit. The point, the keyword, okay? Then let's go on. For another body paragraph of another argument point, limits conflicts. Okay, this is great. Hinders conflicts between countries, right? Then for another body paragraph, for another argument point here, encourages the spread of wealth globally. Okay, we could write it as since it make wealth since it makes spreads in the world fastly. Okay, this one is better than this one. Remember, professors would love you to paraphrase your thesis to be your topic sentence. Why do we change this a little bit? Because the several words here is actually the same as this one. So that's why. Okay. Then let's return back to the order problem here. As you have noticed, it is exactly in the same order. Okay, even if counterargument, we are talking about operate. Okay, in our argument, we are talking about promotes. This is the first body paragraph. This is the second body paragraph. Okay, this is the third body paragraph. Okay, this is your fourth body paragraph. Okay, this is your fifth body paragraph. All right, so when you are writing your thesis, it's very hard to raise your own thinking. However, you know that we have a great friend, that's Google. When you are stuck at writing your thesis, Google how did other people comment or how did other people think about the issue. For example, I found this one. As you see here, I did something that why should we allow animal test? Then it jumped out plenty of websites for me to explore. Then I choose this one. Let's read. Why should we? Oh, yeah, for research, right? For scientific research, to study diseases, to develop and test potential forms of treatment. Okay? So how should I revise my own thesis here? If I compare my thinking with the website's thinking, definitely they are much better than me. So please look at here. How will I revise my thesis now? Okay. It is great because people need to explore scientific research. Okay, that's point 2. We also need to study disease. And what's more, we need to find potential treatments. That's 3 points. If you have noticed, this is point 1, this is point 2, and this is point 3. Alright, writers, so we always have to summarize what we have learned until now. We have done this in the middle of our video. Let's do it again. Shortly, we are going to analyze the structure of the whole paper we just analyzed. Let's see. This part is intro, thesis at the bottom, the same as this one, right? Then counter argument as your body paragraph 1. Okay, your argument as your body paragraph 2. Your argument second argument as your body paragraph 3. Your third argument as your body paragraph 4. Your fourth argument as your body paragraph 5. Then conclusion, it's exactly the same as this one.